I like side parts now. The banana in the background and the Cheez-Its is definitely on brand for me. I hate this necklace.
Guess it really was meant to be. Guess you never thought you'd see me.
Okay, I wanted to do a back to school makeup routine, or like a natural everyday makeup look, basically, because I know that a lot of my subscribers are going back to school, and even though I graduated, I still feel like this could be helpful. So for this week's video, or for today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, foundation, but I'm going to mix it with a moisturizer, to kind of turn it into like a tinted moisturizer. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. So I'm just gonna put some on, and then I'm just taking like the Maybelline Fit Me, only because right there I have hyperpigmentation. I fucked up my face, shaking. I just don't want a lot because I'm not going to use a lot, so that's a lot. But good thing that we are diluting it. So anyways, I just thought we would chat. Well, I guess that this is good to kind of even out your complexion when you do it like this. You know, a lot of people have... Oh, okay, see, so it does kind of work. Maybe I can just apply it as a lotion then. Okay, wow. It's like a tinted... Anyways, so yeah, I think I want... Literally, my mind is all over the place. Kind of want to talk about school and all of that. I would really love to do a video where I talk about I wonder if I maybe should literally count on your hand how many times I have attempted to make a complete sentence and absolutely failed. I will literally Venmo or PayPal every single one of you $1 for every complete sentence I made. So in conclusion, I am just gonna cut the audio because I'm not making any sense and this video is so embarrassing. That's kind of smart if you don't want a cakey looking foundation. Not like my hair, and I'm getting foundation all in my hair. Effortless but still put together, if that makes sense. Corners, you guys like my rings? Just literally right there, just to make my eyes look a little bit more brighter. I'm oily, you know, what can I say? My eyelids get greasy, my T-zone, it's all just a bad look for me. We out. But I'm going to wipe that off because I don't want to look you know, see, I still have it under my eye. And I also probably look like a psychopath doing that. My school hat was kind of musty, but this is for the people who don't want to wake up super early every day and do the most. You know what I mean? Now I'm just gonna do a simple blush. Blush just makes you look more awake, alive, cute, girly, you're just ready for the party, you're ready to have fun. We love a good blush, girl, a good blush moment. My favorite mascara eyelash extensions are low-key really convenient because I just feel like my eyelashes or your eyes are really important because they can, they're the key to what makes you look more awake and put together. So a nice natural pair of eyelashes or even big voluptuous mink lashes, whatever, perfectly fine. But I'm telling you, wear lashes at your own risk, because once you start putting them on, I swear you will never look the same. Like, I love lashes so much. It's, man, oh my god, chef's kiss. Like, they're just the epitome of beauty to me. Like, even Kiss has like really good and cute, fun and fresh, natural eyelashes. Highlighter, and we're gonna do right here, the nose. My eyebrows are like insanely thin now because I'm like over the whole thick. I think that thin eyebrows fit my face a little bit better. I guess this really isn't even contouring. I guess just bronzing up my face, creating shadows or whatever. Also, this lighting, like, wow. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This is my simple everyday school makeup routine or whatever. So I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all when I decide to post next time. Bye. What the fuck am I saying? I don't even know why I'm talking. Honestly, I'm probably gonna cut all of this out anyways. Subtle beauty things to just enhance. That's my biggest thing, is enhancing, because it takes a lot quicker instead of transforming my whole face, because we know that I would have a lot to transform.